Macadamia Professional, the oil authority for global textures, offers salon-quality hair care, treatment, and styling solutions with transformational products that address the unique moisture level and style control needs of each hair texture. 3 curated care and treatment collections infuse the optimal moisture level into each hair texture. Weightless moisture for baby fine to fine hair, nourishing moisture for medium to coarse hair, and ultra-rich moisture for very coarse to coiled hair. While a range of macadamia oil-infused stylers offer varying levels of style control for hair of all global textures. What makes Macadamia Professional the oil authority for global textures? Each Macadamia Professional product contains macadamia's exclusive pro-oil complex, a blend of therapeutic macadamia and argan oils rich in omega-7, 5, 3, and 9. Macadamia oil is filled with the highest amount of omega-7 fatty acid, more than any other nut oil. Therefore, it closely resembles human hair oil, and thus mimics the scalp's natural oil production. Macadamia oil provides deep nourishment and moisturization, with exceptional absorption and penetration from the inside out versus conditioning just the surface of the hair shaft. It's remarkably lightweight and non-greasy with no buildup. Argan oil is a rich oil filled with omega-9 fatty acid, antioxidants, and vitamin E that improve hair strength, renew damage, and restore shine and softness to dry, brittle hair. Together, these 2 oils, which make up the Macadamia Professional Pro Oil Complex, work to renew hair's texture with healthy shine, bounce, and manageability. Macadamia Professional offers a range of 5 macadamia oil-infused stylers for all global textures, each with varying levels of style control from level 1 to level 4. Each styler offers a unique degree of hold and a specific style effect. Macadamia Professional's Foaming Volumizer is a whipped, airy mousse that creates weightless body and volume without stiffness for limp, lifeless hair. Conditioning agents detangle and control frizz to leave hair smooth. It contains heat protection and is ultra lightweight with no residue buildup. The Foaming Volumizer has a style control level of 1, with a weightless degree of hold and a natural style effect. Macadamia's Foaming Volumizer contains the exclusive Pro Oil complex of macadamia and argan oils for weightless moisture, strength, and damage repair. In addition, it includes pistachio oil, which protects against environmental extremes, tapioca starch, which absorbs excess oils and increases volume, and kaolin, which cleanses the scalp of residue. Like all Macadamia Professional stylers, the Foaming Volumizer is color-safe and cruelty-free. For baby fine to fine hair textures like Eliza's, or anyone who desires big volume, add a quarter-size amount of foam to damp hair prior to blow-drying. Apply foam from roots to ends, gently massaging at the crown. Blow-dry with a round brush for intense volume by elevating hair up while drying. Macadamia Professional's Activating Curl Cream is a lightweight, non-sticky cream that activates and supports soft, fine curls and waves that tend to droop. It provides a soft, touchable finish while fighting frizz and flyaways. The cream can also be used to reactivate curls by misting hair with water, reapplying a small amount of cream and styling as desired. The Activating Curl Cream has a style control level of 2 with a light degree of hold and a touchable style effect. Macadamia's Activating Curl Cream contains the exclusive Pro Oil complex of macadamia and argan oils for weightless moisture, strength, and damage repair. In addition, it includes pistachio oil, which protects against environmental extremes, hydrolyzed soy protein, which provides extra moisturization, and hydrolyzed amaranth protein, which gives luxurious conditioning. Like all Macadamia Professional stylers, the Activating Curl Cream is color-safe and cruelty-free. For those finer, wavy textures like Courtney's that desire a more hydrated, luxurious, and loose curl, apply on damp hair evenly, sectioning the hair in the front and back. Apply a quarter-size amount of product to the damp hair. Scrunch in and diffuse to activate and enhance waves and curls, or air dry for a natural look. Here's a stylist tip. To prevent hair from frizzing, diffuse hair from the top of the head downwards. This allows heat to be directed towards the cuticle rather than against it. Macadamia Professional's Blow Dry Lotion is a lightweight lotion that gives a smooth, silky finish while eradicating frizz and resisting humidity. It provides thermal and UV protection while delivering nourishing moisture with a non-greasy feel. The lotion gives effortless brush glide when blow drying to reduce breakage. The blow dry lotion has a style control level of 1 with a weightless degree of hold and a natural style effect. Macadamia's blow dry lotion contains the exclusive Pro Oil complex of macadamia and argan oils for weightless moisture, strength, and damage repair. In addition, it includes pistachio oil, which protects against environmental extremes, olive oil, which maintains color and provides shine, jojoba oil, which moisturizes, coconut oil, which strengthens and fortifies the hair shaft, hydrolyzed rice protein, which provides moisturization and healing benefits, and keratin amino acids, which nourish and replenish. Like all Macadamia professional stylers, the blow dry lotion is color safe and cruelty-free. For medium to coarse hair textures like Ria's, the blow dry lotion smooths out hair to a perfectly straight blowout look. Start by dividing the hair into even sections. Work the lotion through the damp hair, section by section, from roots to ends. Finish by blow drying using a 100% boar bristle brush. Macadamia Professional's Whipped Detailing Cream creates lightweight definition, pieciness, and texture while maintaining a natural look and feel. It adds smooth control without buildup or added weight. The cream absorbs excess sebum for lift while keeping hair soft and movable with shine and healthy bounce. Perfect for detailing a finished look with workable style. The Whipped Detailing Cream has a style control level of 2 with a light degree of hold and a touchable style effect. Macadamia's Whipped Detailing Cream contains the exclusive Pro Oil complex of macadamia and argan oils for weightless moisture, strength, and damage repair. In addition, it includes pistachio oil, which protects against environmental extremes, carnauba wax, which adds shine, and glycerin, which retains moisture. Like all Macadamia professional stylers, the Whipped Detailing Cream is color safe and cruelty-free. To accentuate Courtney's luxurious, defined waves, rub a small amount of cream between your fingers and apply it to the hair where you want to add definition, texture, and pieciness. Continue to take small amounts of cream between your fingers, applying throughout the hair to give separation and directional texture. Reapply as needed based on the length, thickness, and texture of the hair. This product is ideal for all hair textures from baby fine to ultra coarse. Macadamia Professional's Taming Curl Cream softens and defrizzes medium to coiled textures. It nourishes, separates, and controls unruly curls, providing a light, crunch-free feel and tames flyaways for a flawless look. The Taming Curl Cream has a style control level of 3 with a medium degree of hold and a tamed style effect. Macadamia's Taming Curl Cream contains the exclusive Pro Oil complex of macadamia and argan oils for weightless moisture, strength, and damage repair. In addition, it includes pistachio oil, which protects against environmental extremes, coconut oil, which strengthens and fortifies the hair shaft, grapeseed oil, which moisturizes and regenerates hair, and jojoba oil, which moisturizes. Like all Macadamia professional stylers, the Taming Curl Cream is color safe and cruelty-free. To achieve Brianna's smooth to tight curls, divide damp hair into even sections. Apply a quarter-size amount of Taming Curl Cream to each section, adjusting the amount of cream used depending on the density and amount of hair. Twist each section of the hair throughout the head. Diffuse each twist, letting the cream dry into the hair. Eventually, reapply during the day for added frizz control.